Good morning. Welcome to Explainora Cafe. How can I help you today? Hello. Good morning. I would like a coffee, please. Of course, I can certainly help you with that. We have many delicious options today. What kind of coffee do you prefer? We have strong Americanos, creamy lattes, and classic cappuccinos. Oh, I see. I like coffee with a lot of milk. What is best for that? If you love milk, a latte or a cappuccino is perfect. A latte has more milk and is very smooth. Perfect. I will have a latte, please. Great choice. Now, what size would you like? We have small, medium, or large. I am very tired today, so I need a good amount. Can I get a medium, please? You got it. One medium latte. Do you have a preference for the milk? We have regular whole milk, oat milk, or almond milk. Regular milk is fine for me, thank you. Excellent. Regular whole milk it is. Do you want any sugar or sweeteners in it? No, thank you. No sugar. Just the coffee and the milk. Perfect. And would you like anything to eat with your latte today? Our fresh croissants just came out of the oven. Oh, wow. Those look amazing. Yes, please. I will take one croissant too. Wonderful. A medium latte and a fresh croissant. Let me ring that up for you. Your total comes to $6.50. Will that be cash or card today? I will pay with my card, please. Perfect. You can just tap your card right here on the screen whenever you are ready. There we go. Thank you so much. Here is your receipt and table number 5. You can take a seat anywhere you like, and I will bring your hot latte and croissant right out to you. Thank you very much, Sarah. You are very kind. Let's see. Where should I sit today? Those big green chairs look so comfortable, but the tables near the window have beautiful sunlight. Feel free to sit anywhere you like, Elena. The window seats are great if you want to read or work on your laptop. Oh, thank you, Sarah. I think I will choose a window table. I love looking outside at the street. This table is perfect. Now, I want to open my laptop and do some English self-study while I wait for my coffee. Tapping the laptop trackpad, looking confused. Oh, wait, my computer is not connecting to the internet. I need to ask Sarah for the cafe's Wi-Fi network and password. Excuse me, Sarah. Sorry to bother you, but I have a quick question. Oh, it is no trouble at all, Elena. What do you need? Do you have Wi-Fi here in the cafe? I want to connect my laptop to the internet. Yes, we do. We offer free high-speed Wi-Fi to all of our customers. Great. What is the name of the network and what is the password? The network name is Explainora_guest, and the password is all lowercase letters, coffee123. Let me type that in. COFFEE123. Is that correct? Yes, that is perfect. We also have a small sign right here on the counter with the login details, just in case you ever forget it. Let's see. Looking at my screen. Yes, it works perfectly now. I am connected. Wonderful. It is a very strong connection, so you can watch videos or study without any lagging. Thank you so much, Sarah. That is extremely helpful for my studies. Here is your fresh, warm croissant to enjoy while you get started. Oh, that looks absolutely delicious. Thank you, Sarah. You are very welcome. Your medium latte is being brewed right now, and I will bring it over in just a couple of minutes. Thank you. This croissant is so warm and buttery. Now I can comfortably study English while I wait for my hot drink. Here is your medium latte, Elena. Freshly made and ready for you.
Oh, wow, thank you, Sarah.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your study time and let me know if you need anything else. Oh dear, this latte has ice in it. It is a cold iced latte, but I am so cold today and I wanted a warm, comforting drink. I need to tell Sarah, but I don't want to be rude. How can I say this politely in English? Let me try to call her back. Excuse me, Sarah? Sorry to bother you again. Yes, Elena? Is everything okay with the croissant? Oh, the croissant is wonderful, but, I think there is a small mistake with my coffee. I asked for a medium latte, but this one is cold with ice. I prefer a hot coffee today because it is chilly outside. Oh, my goodness. I am so incredibly sorry, Elena. You are completely right. Oh, no, it is okay. Don't worry about it. I accidentally wrote down iced latte instead of hot latte. That was entirely my fault. Let me take this back and fix it for you right away. Thank you so much, Sarah. I really appreciate it. It will only take me 2 minutes to steam fresh milk and brew a hot cup for you. Keep enjoying your croissant. Okay, let's try this again. Here is your hot, medium latte with regular whole milk and no sugar. Oh, this is perfect! Look at the beautiful foam art on top. Yes, I wanted to make it extra special for you to make up for the mistake. This is exactly what I needed. Thank you so much for fixing it, Sarah. You are so welcome, Elena. Enjoy your hot coffee and happy studying. Wow, that hot latte was delicious. I drank all of it. But this croissant is huge, and I am too full to finish the rest right now. I don't want to waste this food. It is so tasty. I want to take it home with me. How do I ask for a box or a bag in English? Let me go over to the counter and ask Sarah. Hi, Sarah. I am finished with my coffee, but I have a small request. Hello again, Elena. Of course. What can I do for you? Was everything okay? Yes, everything was perfect, but the croissant is very big. Can I get a box or a paper bag to take this home? Ah, you want to take it to go. Yes, absolutely. In English, you can say, "Can I get a box to go?" Or, "Can I have a takeaway bag?" Oh, to go or takeaway. That is very easy to remember. Can I get a takeaway bag to go, please? Perfect. You can just use one or the other. You can say, "Can I get a bag to go, please?" Okay, let me practice. Can I get a bag to go, please? Spot on. Excellent pronunciation, Elena. Here is a clean paper bag for you. You can slide the croissant right inside. Thank you. Now it will stay clean and fresh for later tonight. Since we changed the coffee from cold to hot earlier, I just want to check, is the price the same? Do I need to pay anything extra? That is a very smart question, Elena. Let's check the receipt. No, our medium iced latte and medium hot latte are exactly the same price. Oh, wonderful. So my total payment from earlier is still correct? Yes, it is completely paid for. Would you like a printed copy of your receipt just to be sure? Yes, please. I like to keep my receipts to track my monthly spending. Here you go. This shows 1 medium hot latte, 1 croissant, and a total of $6.50. Perfect. Thank you so much for your help today, Sarah. You made my cafe experience so wonderful. It was my absolute pleasure, Elena. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Okay, time to pack up my laptop and head home. Everything is zipped up. Now, where is my blue debit card? Oh no, it's not in my right pocket. It's not in my left pocket either. Where did I put it? I used it to pay at the counter earlier. Did it fall on the floor? Let me look under the table and behind the chair. No, nothing is down here except dust. Oh my goodness, I'm starting to panic. Losing a credit card in a foreign country is my biggest fear. How do I explain this to Sarah? Sarah, I have a huge problem. I think I lost my credit card. Oh no. Stay calm, Elena. Take a deep breath. When was the last time you remember having it? I remember using it right here at the counter to pay for the medium latte and the croissant at the very beginning. Let me check all around the register. Sometimes cards slip under the receipt machine or fall behind the counter screen. Is it there? Please tell me you see a bright blue card. I see some loose coins and a pen, but I don't see your card here on my side of the counter. Don't worry, we will find it. In English, when someone loses something, we always say, double-check your pockets or look thoroughly inside your bag. Did you check inside the small pockets of your backpack? I checked my jacket pockets, but I didn't check the tiny inside pockets of my backpack yet. Let me check right now. Let me empty the front pocket. Keys, notebook, chewing gum. Wait, what is this at the very bottom? I feel something hard and flat. Did you find something down there? Yes, I found it. It was hiding inside the secret zipper pocket of my backpack the entire time. What a relief! I am so glad it wasn't actually lost. That secret pocket saved the day. Phew, my heart is finally beating normally again. Thank you for staying so calm with me, Sarah. Of course, Elena. It happens to everyone. The important thing is that your card is safe. Are you all ready to head out now? Yes, I am fully packed up. I have my laptop, my wallet, and my delicious leftover croissant in this nice takeaway bag. Before you go, let's practice a few polite ways to say goodbye when leaving a cafe or shop in English. You can say, "Thank you for the great service," or simply, "Have a great day." Oh, those are very nice expressions. Let me try. Thank you for the wonderful service, Sarah. Have a great day. Perfect. And I, as the owner, will reply to you, "Thank you for coming. See you next time." Bye-bye, Sarah. See you next time. Goodbye, Elena. Take care and enjoy your study session at home. Wow, Elena did an amazing job navigating the cafe today. Now let's do a quick review of the key English phrases we learned in this video so you can use them yourself. When you want to order a specific size and type of coffee, use this easy sentence pattern. Can I get a medium latte, please? If you want to take your food or drink home, remember to ask, "Can I have this to go?" or "Can I have a takeaway bag?" If the waiter brings you the wrong order, don't worry. Just say politely, "I think there's a small mistake with my coffee." And if you ever lose something, tell a worker, "I think I lost my card. Can you help me check?" Thank you so much for learning English with us today at Explainora Studio. Don't forget to practice these phrases out loud. Yes, and please like this video, leave a comment below telling us your favorite type of coffee, and subscribe to our channel for Chapter 3. See you next time.